other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a sus niños. Gracias.
Please step carefully onto the moving platforms, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Emily. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trade. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
With your hands locked, feet, legs, and self-view, and please watch your children.
The time machine will slowly rotate back and will stop momentarily. When you're safe, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will tilt by control. Welcome aboard.
Do that.
Oh, sorry, man.
Hurry up.
Oh. I didn't know what you were talking about. I said, don't do.
Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photos to the future. All systems are go. Leading now to your guide.
Like a flag in the rushing space, our planet is sailing through the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we have been unexpected. But where are we going? And what kind of adventure will we discover here? Surprisingly, the answer lies in our past. The tool that we're calling history, we reinvent history one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Top our world. Struggling to survive until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can have the victory and survive. recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding these plants is inventing papyrus, a paper. Papyrus in turn creates special records, plans, lines, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trained the people, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet adapted to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn on ABCs?
Uranos te lleno, catechun mala mistir, que ti ola lion de apoli matematikin sofia. Prosparadica, theorisomen pos i matematikin imon gnosis, dinate ipologisi, asterum kinsis, leitinde,
The Romans created powerful empires. To keep their armies home, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide road. But then there was a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Here in Europe, monks toil endlessly calling books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they will. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation and renaissance. Now communication technology races headlong to the future. And so, all over the world, sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
Pacific.
By now, we're communicating from anywhere on Earth and uniting system to something else. To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, everyone could have one of these amazing things in their own house. This is my problem. There is bigger than house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are. A truly global community. The future of this, our spaceship
Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
that rough before. They're supposed to have fixed it.
Done something.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home refueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere.
You got no head, Mama.
I know.
Since you like to
Cut your head off.
virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way.
I'm married to a headless woman.
Take things as they come. Getting
Look
there
at
is half the fun. So your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window.
I think your hat cuts your head off.
You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
The headless wife.
So here's to the next 30,000